And I immediately asked who owns the New York Yankees. And not only did it give me an answer, it gave me a horribly wrong answer. It told me that the New York Yankees were owned by like the Walt Disney Company or something like that. Like, I can't remember what the exact, but it was a terrible answer, like nowhere near the truth, right? So not only did you answer a question that you're not supposed to, you gave me a wrong answer to that question, which means that the fundamental LLM, I think they were using Llama in this case, the fundamental LLM, it was wrong in itself. So how can you trust that with your own documents, that when I go in and ask a question about my documents, that answer isn't shaded by the fundamental LLM, right? I think it's referred to as the foundational LLM, right? If your foundational LLM is wrong, then, you know, having hallucinations, then you're risking those hallucinations infecting your real data. So is there a net gain there, right?